if you want good time.
Hello everybody, welcome to my second video. It's been a couple years, but I just wanted to show you what I got in the mail. So I ordered this yesterday. It's the new Oculus Quest 2. It's a VR headset and it's pretty cool. I can't wait to unbox this, so let's get right into the video. Let's see where. It's the one with 128 gigabytes, and it's so cool. Here's displays some games you can see: The Climb 2, Star Wars, Echo VR, Population 1, Beat Saber, Jurassic Park, Aftermath. Pretty cool, right? So let's start unboxing this. So I can't wait to play some games on this. Sadly, I can't show you how it works from the inside. I can show you how the lenses look and stuff and the controllers, but I can't show you how to play games and stuff or set up your account, because I really, just gonna be honest with you guys, I don't really know how to do that stuff. So let's just start opening it. Well, this is me. If you haven't seen my face before, this is me. So I am not a faceless YouTuber. I like to show my face because it's just I look more approachable. Then look at this. This is logo on it. Pretty cool, right? Okay, I'm gonna get back to you. And the only thing we have to do now is pop this open. Look at this. Oh, there's instruction as well. I think 2 seconds. Okay. Oh, this is the headset. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh, and these are the controllers. Oh, those look sick. They feel good in my hands as well. Let's see how this works. Oh, that's so cool. I can't wait to actually play games on it. The first games I'm gonna play are First Steps and VR Chat. And those are my things I really wanted to play, so I'm gonna start playing. Okay, and this is a glasses spacer. I don't have glasses, but I'm gonna keep this for people who do have glasses. And I think this is the box with control, with the batteries and a charger. Well, it's a bit of a short video, 3 minutes, but I'm gonna end it here. It looks amazing. I can't wait to play games, and maybe if I have a PC in the future, I may be going to upload more videos. And there's gonna be another video next year when it's October, because I will be going to a place called Halloween Walibi Fright Nights. It's a theme park in the Netherlands, and yeah, maybe I'm gonna film a video of me going there. So I hope you like this video. If you see yourself watching my YouTube channel more, maybe give it a sub. But this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.